A very good morning to you all. How are you? Myself, Nima Dabhi, your science educator. Students, hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your studies, right? So, students, before starting our chapter, let's see what is the thought of the day. Your thought of the day is start each day with a positive mindset and a grateful heart. Yes, it means that whenever you wake up in the morning, just have smile in your face and have a positive mind. So, it will make a grateful day for you. So, students, we were doing chapter number 2 safety and first aid. So, first of all, let's revise what we had studied in part 1. After that, we will complete our rest of the portion. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, we had studied about accidents. So, what is accidents? An unexpected event that might lead to you being hurt is called an accident. Okay, so to protect yourself from accident, we have to take some measures, some safety measures. Yes, so let's see what are that. In that, we had studied about safety at home. So, how we can protect ourselves or we can save ourselves at home. First of all, in that, we had studied about don't leave your books and toys lying on the floor and stay away from knives, blades, scissors. Don't use matchstick. Always be careful with fireworks. Electrical things are useful as they make our work easier, but if they are not used carefully, they can give electric shock, right? Then we have studied about never try to taste anything you do not know, or do not fly kites or play on the terrace. You can fall off if you are not careful, right? These points we have discussed in safety at home. After that, we had studied about safety at school. So let's discuss their point. First of all, in safety at school, we had studied about running up and down in a staircase is dangerous. Do not push anyone on the stairs. After that, we had studied about classrooms are for studying, are not for running and playing. For running and playing, playground and gardens are there. So classrooms are for studying, so we have to be very careful in classroom. And third thing we had discussed about do not run in the corridors because corridors are for walking, right? So these 3 points we have discussed in safety at school. So these were your previous we have studied in part 1. So let's start part 2 today. Now, in part 2, we will study about safety on playground. Yes, we all feel happy in playing, right? Playing games gives us a lot of fun. Yes, so what safety should we take care during playing? Okay, so let's see. In that, first of all, while playing on slides or swing, wait for your turn. Do not push anyone when you are on the slide. It can be dangerous. Yes, when you are playing with slide or swing, just wait for your turn, beta. Okay? And please be in queue. Do not push anyone because it will be dangerous, right? It will harm you or it will harm another boy or another girl. So please be in queue and wait for your turn. Do not push anyone while playing. The second thing is rules should be followed in every games. Yes, this is the most important point, students. Please note down. Whenever you are playing some game, the rules should be followed. It is very important. As you see in the TV also, in cricket or in football or in any of the games, they follow rules, right? So the rules should be followed in any of the game. right? Playing game is a lot of fun, but there are rules to be followed in every game. If you do not follow the rules of the game, you can hurt others, right? If you do not follow the rules, you can hurt others. So keep in mind, while playing any of the game, you should follow each and every rules. So let's study about what safety we have to take on walking on road or going on road by bicycle or by car or by bike. What the rules should we follow, what the safety measures should we take while walking on road or by driving any of the vehicle on road. So let's see what safety we can take on road. Dear students, we know that many accidents occurs happens on road. Yes, so we have to be very careful when we are walking on road. We are going school or we are going home or we are going friends place, right? So we have to be very careful while walking on road. So always walk on footpath. Okay, always walk on footpath. It will protect you from getting any of the accident. Okay, it will save you. So please be careful, and you are going somewhere, so please try to walk on footpath. Students, have you ever seen zebra crossing on the road? Yes, zebra crossing is there to help you to cross the road. So if you want to cross the road, if you have to cross a road, use the zebra crossing. Okay, so it will save you from the accident. Students, have you seen traffic signals in the road? Yes, we have seen, right? So when you are riding a bicycle on a road now, if you want to turn, just give signal with your hand before you turn and watch the traffic signal. When the light turns red, it means you have to stop. Okay? And when the light turns orange, it means you have to wait. And when the light turns green, it means you can go. Fine. So, when you are riding bicycle, you have to follow this traffic rules. First of all, in the red light, you have to stop your bicycle. In the orange light, you have to wait for your chance to go. And in the green light, you can go. So, please follow these traffic rules while riding bicycle on road. We have talked about safety at home, safety at school, safety at road, safety at playground, right? So now we will study about first aid. So what the first aid is? Okay? If someone get hurt in any accident, so don't get panic. First of all, try to stay calm and help the injured person. Okay, so the first help that an injured person gets is first aid. Whenever you help an injured person, so the first help to that injured person is known as first aid. So let's see what are the first aid. Yes बेटा, फर्स्ट एड का मतलब होता है अगर आप किसी इंजर्ड पर्सन को हेल्प कर रहे हो तो जो वो पहली हेल्प होती है दैट इज़ नोन एज फर्स्ट एड. वेदर यू आर उनको बैंडेज लगा रहे हो या फिर डेटॉल से क्लीन कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ फर्स्ट एड. इफ़ यू कैन सी सम वाउंड इज ब्लीडिंग, ओके, वॉश इट विथ क्लीन वाटर, wipe it with an antiseptic such as Dettol. If the bleeding does not stop, tie a bandage. Loss of too much blood is dangerous for the injured person. Okay, first of all, अगर आप देखते हो किसी का खून निकल रहा है उनके घाव से, तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, उसको वॉश करेंगे. ओके, देन आप उसको अच्छे से डेटॉल से क्लीन करेंगे या फिर कोई भी एंटीसेप्टिक से क्लीन करेंगे. अगर फिर भी ब्लड स्टॉप नहीं हो रहा है तो आप उसमें बैंडेज लगा देंगे, क्योंकि टू मच लॉस ऑफ ब्लड कैन बी डेंजरस फॉर द इंजर्ड पर्सन. ओके, द सेकेंड थिंग इज if someone get burned, place the part of body that is burned under running cold water. Keep it there until it stops hurting. If there are blisters, do not try to burst them. cover the burn with a dry clean handkerchief. ओके अगर आप देखते हैं किसी को बर्न हो गया है, कुछ जल गया है, तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, एक कोल्ड रनिंग वाटर पे उनका हाथ रख देंगे. ओके जब तक उनको तो हर्टिंग स्टॉप ना हो जाए. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, क्लीन हैंकल चिप से वो पोर्शन को क्लीन करेंगे, बर्न पोर्शन को क्लीन करेंगे. फाइन. आफ्टर दैट, गिविंग फर्स्ट एड टू द पर्सन, ask an adult to call a doctor. Yes, you are taking care of an injured person as it is possible, right? But a doctor take care very well. So after giving this first aid, just ask a adult person to call a doctor for the next first aid process. If the person is hurt seriously, immediately call an adult and ask for a doctor. Stop people from crowding around. Only trained people should give first aid to seriously injured person. So dear students, here come the end of your chapter. Hope you all had enjoyed this chapter with me and hope you all got all safety measures. Please do follow all these safety measures. So thank you, and dear students, a very happy Diwali in advance. Enjoy Diwali, and as we have studied in this chapter that you have to very careful while in burning crackers, lightning crackers. So be careful and enjoy Diwali, but please stay at home and stay safe. Okay students, so I will see you after Diwali. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.